overall gang, welcome back to my channel, Queen's Fancy Plans. So today's video is going to be an unboxing from Made It. You guys, I'm so excited to show you this stuff. I PR for her and her stuff is so freaking bomb. So any of the stuff that I show you today, you guys, in this little unboxing, you can get 20% off your order if you use Queen20. I will have my link down below. You can just click on my link that's usually in my bio. I think it's like a milkshake link. You can click on that and it will take you straight to all my links, and you can just click on Made It and you can go straight to her site. You can shop. You can use my code Queen20 to save 20% off your order. And you guys, she makes some of the dopest things. So she makes planner goodies. She makes really cute little badges for nurses. All of her stuff is just super dope and super bomb. I also wanted to show you guys her little business card. Okay, she makes custom creations, and again, her name is Made It. And yeah, Blair is just absolutely awesome. She's the owner of Made It, and you guys can check her out at www.comadeit.com. You can also follow her on Instagram, which is at Made It, and you can also email her at comadeit.designs@gmail.com. You guys, super bomb stuff. So this collection I'm very excited about. This collection actually has a two-part coming up very soon, and I'm super excited about everything that's in this package. It took me a little while to like sit down to get everything out. Me and Blair were working on some ideas, but I'm so excited to share this stuff with you. So if you want to see what I have in my little Made It package, then just keep watching. Okay, babe, so I have opened up my package. I'm gonna pull everything out. I have kept some of the goodies, but I wanted to just kind of share everything with you guys. So, oh, you guys, I'm super excited. So before we get into this stuff, let's just go ahead and get into this notebook. I am so excited about this notebook. Like, look how freaking beautiful this notebook is. It does come in different designs, and I am happy with the one that she sent me. Like, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Hashtag Black Lives Matter. Yes. Okay. And I love all these fashionable babes just kind of standing behind this banner. Again, it's polka dot, and then on the back, this is what the back cover looks like. It is polka dot, and then kind of like almost reminds me of like a Dalmatian print versus like polka dot, but it's super cute. It has Made It's logo on it, custom creations, and then of course down here you have her Instagram at Made It. So yeah, this notebook is super cute. So again, you get the white coils, and then you open it up, and then you have like this gorgeous notebook paper in here. And what I like about this is that this is like perforated, so you can just kind of like tear a piece out and not have to worry about these pieces down here. I absolutely love it, and it does look like it is college rule, because that is my favorite paper to use when I'm using notebook paper. And yeah, I'm not sure how many sheets come in here. Once I find out how many sheets come in the notebook, I will put it down below. There is nothing on the inside covers, but honey, with your cover looking this dope on the outside, you don't need nothing on the inside. It is so freaking cute. I just can't wait to like carry this around and use it. I'm actually thinking that I may put my podcast notes in here. Like, I think this is such a dope notebook, and it's just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. The quality is like just a-okay, okay? Like, it is so good. So we're gonna get into this stuff right here. I'm gonna move my little notebook. Obsessed. I'm pretty sure that like this is not even gonna go where my planner supplies are. This is going to go on my bookshelf, okay, where you can see it. Okay, it's just too cute to just be leaving it somewhere where you can't see it. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this stuff. This stuff I'm super excited about because I got quite a bit of A5 dashboards, and you guys know that I've been using my A5 like crazy. I'm also thinking about using an A5 as my catch-all planner for next year. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. I haven't just fully decided yet, but I know A5 will be in my lineup definitely for next year. And right now I'm using my A5 as my social media planner. So these are just like bookmarks. Now what I like about her bookmarks is that you can use them as die cuts, you can use them as bookmarks, and I like decorating the inside pocket of my A5 with these little dolls. But again, like I said, you can use them as bookmarks. So one thing I noticed, like I have some of Co-Made's bookmarks from before. I actually will show you guys because I have them right near me before I show you guys these. So I'm going to show you some size difference because these are some of her bookmarks that I have here in my current A5. And you guys can see a little bit of a size difference. So as you guys can see, this one right here, I'm going to pull this girl here. You can see there is a big difference in how big these bookmarks are, and they are just absolutely freaking gorgeous, and I just love them. But you can use them as die cuts, you can use them as bookmarks. There's so many things that you can do with these, and I love that these are a little bit bigger than the ones that she normally sells. These are just super dope. So let's go ahead and get into this collection here. Again, this is her Black Lives Matter collection. This is actually part 1 of the collection. She is working on some more goodies, and details will be out soon. So if you want to know all the deets and get all the information first, make sure you're following her over on Instagram. So this one right here I am obsessed with because it matches my notebook. So how cute is that? Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to put like a little pocket or something here just so I can have these girls inside of my notebook. But it is so cute that it matches. It is just absolutely freaking adorable, and I just love all the chocolate goodness. And one thing that I absolutely love is that I love that all the girls have a different hairstyle, and it's all a different natural hairstyle. So I'm just like, yes, you got some protective styles, you got some natural hair, honey. I'm here for it. Black Lives Matter. They're holding the banner. Oh, this is super freaking cute. Love it. Next, you have this babe right here, which says Free-ish, and it says Juneteenth. Her little blonde faux locks are everything to me. Like, yes, honey, come through. I know Juneteenth has already passed, but honey, this is going to be a bookmark or something that I can use in my planner for years to come, and always just have a reminder and just make me a really cute, dope setup for June, and also of course for Black History Month. So that is one reason why I'm really loving these dolls. They are so cute. And so again, she has that Free-ish and the Juneteenth t-shirt, and she's just super dope. Like, she's super cute. This girl right here, oh, I'm so here for her. Okay, break every chain. Her hair is gorgeous, honey, just pop in. I love this. I love this bookmark. I am completely obsessed, and I literally cannot wait to like redo my A5 setup because, like, y'all about to see Co-Made stuff all over. Okay, I already have some of her dashboards in my current A5, so I really just can't wait to redo. And this girl right here is super cute. And this time around, you guys, she got some men in the collection, and I was just like, okay, Zaddy, look at you coming through with your Black Lives Matter t-shirt, girl. And he is fine. He is fine. Not F-I-N. He is fine. With the O in there, girl, he is fine. Okay, so anyway, the bookmark dude is so freaking cute. I love how adorable these are. I love that this t-shirt says Black men are dope. Yes, honey, say it one more time. Say it for the people in the back that can't hear, okay? Black men are dope. Get you one, okay? And then I love this t-shirt. Again, like I said, Black Lives Matter. And I love the fact that they're different. This one has a hat on, this one doesn't, and I just think they're super cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed with these little bookmarks and die cuts. Like, so cute. And then you have this cute girl right here which says Black Lives Matter, and she has on a hat. And everybody that has on like the denim, like, I'm obsessed with denim and 90s fashion and denim fashion. I don't know what's going on lately, but denim is just my jam. And yeah, I am just loving that everybody has on denim, and it's just, it's sick. It's super cute. So freaking cute. So now, you guys remember I had the bookmark. I got a bookmark and a matching dashboard. Like, look at this dashboard. Like, how cute. Y'all, ain't this cute? Like, seriously. Blair, stop playing with us, girl. These are really, really cute. I love her dashboards because they're super sturdy. And of course there's nothing on the back, so it always offers where I can do a little bit more customization by like adding a pocket, any types of stuff. So I love that it's kind of like decorative on one side, and then I can kind of like do something else. You know, it gives you plenty of options. Also with her dashboard, she makes dashboards for A5 mini planners, classic size planners. Just ask her and she can get it done. Like, Blair is super dope, super sweet, and her customer service is like bomb. Okay, so I love this little dashboard here. And then of course I got this dashboard with this girl. She is just so freaking cute with the break every chain. Y'all, this one that says say their names, and then it says the girl with the Black Lives Matter t-shirt on. I am so in love with this. And then, as you guys remember, my notebook had all the girls on it. This one has the girls and the guys together, hashtag Black Lives Matter, which is so cute. And then this one is just like my notebook. So I love that I have both of these. These are so cute, and I really can't wait to just kind of like set up my A5 and just do something different. And these dashboards are just where like a perfect place for me to just put in my planner, and just you see that representation in your planner every time you open it. Like, I just love that, and it's so freaking dope. So yeah, you guys, I got all these gorgeous dashboards. Like, they are so cute. I know my ring light is taking over, so I'm trying to move it where you guys can see how cute all this stuff is. Like, I'm obsessed, literally. And then of course I got these gorgeous bookmarks. Like, Blair, girl, co-made it. You, girl, you did your thing. Like, oh, I'm just obsessed. And then I am obsessed. Like, this may be, like, I love everything else, but this just may be like my favorite item. I literally can't wait to get my hands on another one of these. Like, I'm so in love. Like, this is just so dope. So if you guys are interested in ordering any of this stuff, or even just checking out her website, make sure you do. I'll have everything linked below. Like I said, you can just click my milkshake link. It'll take you straight to all my links. You can see it right there. It says shop code made it. You click on it. You can use my code QUEEN20 to save 20% off your order. And yeah, like, you know, everybody loves to save some coins. Everybody loves to have really cute stuff for their planner. And I'm obsessed. Like, her stuff is just super dope, and it's very affordable. And yeah, right now I'm all about supporting black businesses and showing support and showing love. And if you're looking for a black owned business to shop with and show support, then Co-Made It is definitely where it's at. So make sure you check her out. And with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed, and make sure you click the notification bell so you can get notified every time your girl drops a video. And yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, whenever you're watching this video, and I will see you babes later. Bye.